The OEMTOOLS injector removal tool is for use on Volkswagen and Audi engines with direct injection FSI systems. This kit includes a slide hammer, one installation tool, two puller attachments, one assembly cone, and 3 knurled calibration sleeves. Connect the slide hammer assembly to safely remove the injector. Slide the proper puller attachment onto the injector. With the knurled side toward the cone, use the 6.9 to 8 mm calibration sleeve to push the seal onto the assembly cone. Flip the calibration sleeve and push to further install the Teflon seal onto the assembly cone. Next, place the cone with the seal onto the injector. With the knurled side away from the injector, use the 7.8 to 8.2 mm calibration sleeve to push the seal until it falls into the groove of the injector. With the knurled side away from the fuel injector, using the 8.1 to 8.5 mm calibration sleeve, apply rotation and slight pressure fully over the injector. Pull the sleeve off with a rotating motion. Repeat the step with the 7.8 to 8.2 mm sleeve. To install the fuel injector, use the installation tool to press the injector into the bore of the cylinder head until it stops.